Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, Pilipinas. It's me again, Teng. It's day 13 of our 21-day vlogging challenge before my life starts at 40. So, I am blessed, awesome, and winning. I keep on saying that I'll be able to remind myself who I am. I am blessed by God. God gave me awesome talents, and I will win every battle because I have Him. Today, it's a winning Wednesday. It's a Wednesday, right? And I just want to thank God for revealing Himself to me every time na kailangan ko siya. So, I fully trust Him and the design and the ways na kung saan niya ako gustong dalhin. And I trust Him na siya talaga yung magbibigay ng mga tao na makakasama ko sa journey ko. Sometimes there are people na kinakat niya agad, no, dun sa journey mo. And hindi pa man nagsisimula, inaalis niya na agad. Sometimes iniisip natin, no, na bakit? But when you ask for wisdom, as you seek the Lord, He will reveal Himself, no? He will reveal it to you that this is my way. That my way works at hindi yung way mo. Kaya I'm so glad I was able to pray and He gives me the answers, no, na hinihingi ko talaga. And He really leads me onward. And yung mga bagay na hindi natin naiintindihan, just connect with Him, our Father. Jesus gave us that access para makapag-direct communicate tayo kay Lord. And we are blessed to have that. And we should be confident, no, that whatever our prayers are, i-grant the Lord. Ayun. Just trust Him. And yun yung binigay niyang assurance sa akin. Trust Him. Because ako yung gumagalaw sa buhay mo. Medyo seryoso. But yun nga. No? But I'm happy that I was able to seek Him first before akong, alam mo yun, gumalaw on my own ways. So, today, no, you just trust the process. Trust Him. I know He works in the background. But today, again, here's my bag. Let's see what's inside it. Alam nyo naman kung ano talaga. It's been 13 days. No? What are my blessings? Blessed tayo yesterday kay Chief, dun sa guard. Because since siguro every time na pumupunta ako doon, always talaga nag fast food tayo. So kahapon nag-Jollibee tayo. So I asked the guard, no, the chief, no, kung saan may mura. Because syempre naman, we are financial advisor. And syempre okay din na kumain ng mga okay talaga na lutong bahay, no? Baka ikamatay pa natin yung parating fast food tayo, no? So, I'm blessed to have talked with him, and he also introduced me to someone na sa na bebenta rin ng food sa loob ng office, no? So, I'm blessed to have him. Blessed din ako kahapon because um, na-enroll ako sa mga required training nung ni Jerome. So, endurance nga kahit wala pa akong out. No? I really need that because so that I will be able to, alam mo yun, hit my parameters. No? Kasi all this months, talagang training lang ako. And of course, si Ref, no, for giving me that mindset, no, na wag tumingin sa allowance, but tumingin dun sa commission na makukuha, sa recruitment override, sa mga bonuses, because yung allowance is just on top of the icing. So, sila yung mga taong blessed ako. Sila yung mga taong binigay ni Lord to bless me. Yeah, thank you. Next accomplishment, no? Accomplishments. So, I was able to talk to 2 of my possible candidates, and I was able to secure a slot today, no? So, yes, sumagot sila. Thank you, Lord, talaga. So, na-accomplish natin yun, and I was able to finish my Evo training, no? Parang it's a refresher for me, no? That I mean, the Green 7 protocol, no? It's a training for newbies, no, sa Manulife, no, lalo yung mag-financial advisor. So, yes, no. So, and yun nga, accomplishment din sa akin for me is kumain din sa Jolly Jeep, no. So, nakatipid tayo ng malala. So, thank you. Yes for me, no, for accomplishing that. And of course, syempre, yung goals natin for today, no, today, yun nga, yung naset nating meeting will be, yun, meet natin yung, nakaka-excite kasi yung meet natin ng 11 is an operations manager, no, and looking forward to that. And second is, may papa-interview tayo today, hopefully maka-attend sila talaga ng face-to-face interview ng 2:00, no. Meron din ako na isa pa, no, UP grad. So, exciting yung mga unit heads na mapapa-interview today, no. 6 sila total for today, no. And I really pray na sila yung bigay ni Lord sa akin, no, na maging part ng branch ko. And of course, syempre, i-meet ko rin yung mga leaders natin, pinapunta ko sila, so that we'll be able to echo what RF, no, told me yesterday, no, at para mag-game plan na kami, no. I mean, mapag-usapan namin yung game plan namin this week, no. So, yon. So, again, those are the things I will be doing today, and I'm really looking forward for the wins na matatanggap natin, ma-achieve natin today. So, that's it. We're going to office na, no? And, yun nga, let's trust the process and trust Him in everything that we do. Because He knows everything. And He designs everything para dun sa great promise niya for us. Again, this is me, Teng. Have a winning Wednesday. Bye for now. Mwah, mwah, mwah.